Big news, Realtors. Lofty version 4.22 is here, and this update isn't just a tweak, it's a total game changer. We're talking smarter lead capture, seamless website animations, powerful new email tools, and next level compliance features. So whether you're looking to boost engagement, simplify your workflows, or stay ahead of the regulations, this update has something for you, so let's break it down. Here's the deal. Real estate tech moves fast. If your tools aren't constantly evolving, you're already falling behind. Your competitors are out there connecting better, converting more, and staying compliant with the latest regulations, all because they've mastered the tools they use every day. Lofty 4.22 isn't just about shiny new features, it's your chance to take back control, capture more leads, personalize your outreach, and ensure compliance without breaking a sweat. So miss this and you risk staying stuck in outdated workflows while others speed past you. All right, so you might be thinking, don't I already have a lead capture form and property alerts within my Lofty site? What's so different now? Well, that's a good question, so let's clear that up. The new Lofty 4.22 update takes these tools to the next level, specifically within your Lofty WordPress plugin. Now, instead of just standard forms, you can completely customize your lead capture forms right on your WordPress website. So this is for those of us that are using a WordPress website. They're just bringing us more features. So what you can do with this form is you can tailor questions and designs exactly how you need them without relying on the old default settings. Plus, the new built-in property alerts inside of your WordPress plugins mean leads can automatically receive real-time updates on listings directly from your website, simplifying the process and keeping leads engaged right where you want them. And if you ever want a deeper MLS integration into your WordPress site, the new IDX plugin that's available separately in Lofty's marketplace makes it easy for your visitors to explore live property listings without leaving your main site, giving you a professional, streamlined way to showcase available homes. Now, once again, for clarity, if you're using the Lofty website, these changes don't affect you. Now, let's talk about your Lofty website and why the new animations in Lofty 4.22 actually matter to your business. So your website is often your first impression, and until now, website blocks in Lofty have been visually clean, but mostly static. So with this update, you have the new ability to easily add beautiful dynamic animations to your website blocks, instantly bringing listings, testimonials, calls to action, and any featured content straight to life. But this isn't just about the aesthetics, it's about keeping visitors engaged longer. So animated elements naturally draw attention, gently guiding visitors to important content like your new listings or your lead capture forms. And here's the best part. The animations are completely under your control. Each block now includes a simple toggle in your style settings. Turn animations on when you want that extra impact, or off if you prefer a faster, minimalist browsing experience. Disclosure on that, when you put a lot of videos and animations in your website, it may slow it down, and that could complicate the process of browsing for your leads, so just keep that in mind. Now let's talk about why this flexibility matters. If you want to impress potential clients with a sleek, interactive experience, turn them on. Need a cleaner look and faster load times? Just switch them off. Lofty 4.22 puts you in charge of how your website performs and appears, keeping you ahead of your competition and ensuring your site always represents you at your best. So speaking of staying ahead, let's dive into one of the biggest keys to real estate success: personalized communication. Lofty 4.22 takes your email and text message personalization up several notches with brand new dynamic variables, making your automated messages feel genuinely human and relevant. So here's how it works. Now, when you send automated emails or text, Lofty can automatically include variables like the current time of day, day of the week, month, or even the current season. So instead of a generic message, imagine greeting your leads with, "Good morning, Jennifer. I hope your Monday's off to a great start," or sending timely seasonal messages like, "Summer's finally here. Ready to go check out homes with great backyards?" Even better, they've added the ability to include the first name of your lead's family member. Buying or selling a home is a family decision, and this small detail can make your outreach incredibly personal, thoughtful, and memorable. Messages like, "I hope you and Mark are doing well," build trust and deepen relationships, and will significantly boost your response rates. And one more thing, your agent email address is now available as a variable too. So this means your messages can always clearly identify you, boosting transparency and credibility with your leads. So no more confusion, just clarity and trust. Simply put, these new personalization variables aren't just nice to haves, they're game changers for standing out, creating deeper connections, and closing more deals. Now, let's talk the email marketing, because we all know how important it is for staying connected with your leads. Lofty 4.22 completely upgrades your drag and drop email editor, Accelerator with some exciting enhancements designed to save you valuable time and boost the personal look of every single message that you send. First off, say hello to brand new, ready-to-use email templates built specifically for agents. Imagine quickly sending polished, visually engaging emails featuring listings, agent bios, and market insights, all without starting from scratch. Need to showcase property details instantly? Well, simply pick a listing template and Lofty pulls in the photos, price, and key details automatically. They've also introduced graph templates, so now you can effortlessly embed attractive market reports and performance stats directly into your emails. No graphic designer needed, no complicated tools, just easy professional results right inside of Lofty. And let's not overlook one more fun detail: emojis. Lofty 4.22 supports emojis directly in your email text boxes, giving you a friendly conversational way to connect personally with clients. A simple emoji can help break the ice and enhance your brand personality and make your messages feel approachable and engaging. But these enhancements aren't just about making your emails look great. They're about saving you precious time, helping you stand out from other agents, and ultimately turning more leads into clients. With Lofty 4.22, better email marketing has never been easier. All right, now let's address something every real estate pro needs to be on top of, which is data privacy compliance. With regulations constantly evolving, Lofty went ahead and introduced two critical features that make staying compliant simple and stress-free. First up, it's the new Data Subject Access Request, or what's called the DSAR button. Specifically, this is designed to help you comply with regulations like California's Consumer Privacy Act or the CCPA. This button gives your California website visitors an easy, transparent way to request their personal data. With just a single click, leads can access their data and you instantly demonstrate your commitment to privacy, building trust, and staying fully compliant at the same time. Second, Lofty 4.22 takes cookie compliance seriously by changing your site's default cookie settings. Now visitors are automatically opted out of all non-essential cookies unless they explicitly choose otherwise. So what does this mean for you? Well, it means the Lofty site is proactively protecting your visitors' privacy, aligning seamlessly with current best practices and global data privacy standards. So the bottom line is that these updates aren't just about compliance, they're about protecting your reputation, earning the client trust, and confidently navigating privacy requirements without all the headaches. Finally, let's quickly talk about a change you'll notice right away: the updated people page user interface. Now, many of you have already seen this cleaner, easier to navigate interface. Until now, though, you've had the choice to switch between the old and the new layouts. So with Lofty 4.22, they're officially saying goodbye to the old interface, so everyone is now automatically upgraded to the improved, streamlined version. If you're already using the new UI, great, you're all set. But if you've been holding on to the old one, don't worry. I've just put out a complete step-by-step walkthrough video to help you get comfortable fast. Any questions or uncertainty, just click above this video here and I'll guide you through every feature personally, making sure you're fully confident using the new layout. So this update isn't just about aesthetics, it's about making your day-to-day workflow faster, simpler, and more productive, ensuring that you spend less time searching and more time selling. All right, so there you have it. Lofty 4.22 is all about giving you more control, more engagement, and easier compliance, from fully customizable lead capture forms in your WordPress plugin to vibrant website animations, advanced personalization in emails and text, powerful email editor improvements, and simplified privacy compliance. This update is built around you and your real estate success. So remember, these enhancements are already live, ready for you to use right now. The only question left is, are you ready to leverage them, close more deals, and stand up from your competition so you can streamline your daily workflows? And if you haven't yet explored all these features, now's the time. Log in, dive in, and put the new Lofty to work for your business. And don't forget, if you have any questions, click the calendar link in the description and book a call with me and I can help you out. So are you guys ready to become unstoppable with Lofty 4.22? Let's go. And before you go, let's talk quickly about staying ahead. It's not just with Lofty, but your entire real estate business. The real estate landscape is evolving so fast, and if you're serious about staying competitive, you can't afford to fall behind on the latest AI tools and strategies. So that's why I created the Apex Elite AI QuickStart Accelerator course, my 100% free crash course designed specifically for agents like you. And this isn't your average tech walkthrough. It's straightforward, no fluff guide to mastering AI tools like ChatGPT and learning how to prompt the right way, which will make you a force to be reckoned with within your market. So you'll also get access to the Apex Elite AI Ignite community, where we have over 900 agents like you learning how to leverage this tech and change their business forever. And the best part, it's completely free for you right now. Just click the link below or drop the word GPT in the comments and I'll send you instant access so you can start leveling up your business business today. And if you found this breakdown helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more real estate tips, lofty updates, and all the cutting edge AI insights you need to know for real estate. Know another agent who could use some clarity on their workflow or want to stay ahead of the curve? Share this video and help them level up too. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.